How to delete liked videos on YouTube. So go to your YouTube application, tap on your profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. Now go to the settings option. After that, click manage all history. It's below the connected apps and above the privacy option. This will then bring you to this page, and in here you'll see three parts on the page, namely history, controls, and interactions, and what you need to do is to choose interactions. In here, tap on video likes and dislikes. To delete your liked video here, just tap on the X icon. Just tap on the X icon on the rectangle of a specific video that you want to remove the like. After that, confirm on the pop-up window and the like on that video is now removed. Now, if you want to remove all like videos from a specific day, just find that specific date, click the X icon beside that date, same confirmation we did a while ago, and after that, all like videos from that date will be removed. So that is how to delete like videos on YouTube. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.